Welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to give you an update on the 875, the Redwing 875. The repair I did on them from the leather footbed lifting up by the welts on both boots. It was curled up, couldn't put my feet in them comfortably. So I soaked them in water for 24 hours, let them dry about halfway. I put Hubbard's boot oil down into the boot around the toe box while they were still wet on both boots, and let that soak for 24 hours, and that worked out great. The next day I put them on, they were still a little wet. I warmed the whole day. It flattened out that leather all around the welt in the toe box area. It was a little uncomfortable because it was cold, and I just toughed it out throughout the day. The next day I put them on again and wore them, and now I've let them soak with my, or sit with my shoe trees for a couple days, and the inside of the footbed has flattened out. So that repair worked, and I was kind of bummed to think that these might actually have to go in the garbage, because there's something special about the Redwing 875 leather, the way it looks, the way it feels, the way it breaks in. I have several pairs of Redwing Moc Toe boots, and I don't know what it is. There's just nothing compared to the 875 in my opinion, and I have several of them. But I was going to end up either tossing them. I'm not sure if the light's that great in here today. It's kind of overcast. So, but if you can see that patina it gets, and I work these things hard. They've been resoled once with these Vibram soles, which are terrible. They wear so fast. Next time I resole these, I'm going to go and buy the Thorogood Max Wear wedge sole, just the sole itself, and I'll have a cobbler put those on there, and they'll go 2 to 3 times longer. But that repair worked, in case anybody was wondering. It's an update about that. So this is the 875 back to life, back in rotation. Like I said, I was a little bummed to think I wasn't going to be able to salvage this boot and have to either toss it or sell it on eBay real cheap and let somebody know what the problem was. Like I said, it's a little overcast. It's not the best, but it's got this almost orangish red patina about it. They need to be cleaned, and I think I'll do a video on those since they are back. No reason I can't give them a good saddle soaping, clean them, condition them, and show you what they look like after that. These shoe trees, they're important if you own boots. If you're new to boots, what they do is they wick away moisture from the inside of the leather, and they also keep the form of the boot as well. They're twofold. And yeah, so anyway, that's the update on this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like and a thumbs up if you want to see more content. Appreciate you stopping by. Thank you. Bye-bye.